Sorry, y'all. So, I hinted at a new package arriving today. And in that package is a new addition to the collection behind me. Now, I gave you guys a hint as to what it might be. That it was a predator and it came from Africa, which is all true. Now, I've already opened the box and the bag that the animal was in. So I've already seen it. So I think it's only fair that you guys get to see it. So we're going to open the box. Take out the bag. Oh, the mess that is my desk. I think I want my hands for this. Okay. Here he is. Maybe. There it goes. Woo! We're going to back this up a little bit. So that is the head view on it. That's the tag. It is from Papao. Papao. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Papo. It's not a company that I have ever ordered from. So there's that. Going to try. Okay, there it goes. So that's what he looks like from the front and from the side, but you can't really see his face. So there's his face. And this is an African fish eagle. This is not a bald eagle. And he is from Africa. Yeah. Space is a little bit limited, but I am determined to find him a place to call home. And I don't have a lot of I really don't have a lot of wildlife that fits within this category. I don't have a lot of birds. I have the cassowary, the emperor penguin, the African penguin, the vulture, the Andean condor, the harpy eagle, and the king vulture. So, I don't have a lot of birds. So anyway, that's what he looks like. And of course, at some point, we will do a full-fledged review. Look at those wings. It is incredible. I love it. Anyway, just a really quick video. And with that, I'm gonna let you go.